Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something powerful for your health, medicinal herbs that naturally support digestion and gut health. And before we get started, if you've ever wanted to grow your very own healing herbs right at home, check out the Medicinal Garden Kit. It comes with all the seeds you need to start your personal herbal pharmacy. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Your gut is often called your second brain, and keeping it healthy is key to better digestion, immunity, and even energy. Let's look at some of the best medicinal herbs you can use. Peppermint is amazing for soothing indigestion, bloating, and stomach cramps. A simple peppermint tea can relax the digestive muscles and improve gut comfort. Chamomile is another gentle herb. It not only helps with stress but also relieves gas, acid reflux, and mild stomach irritation. Then we have ginger, one of the most powerful herbs for digestion. It stimulates saliva and bile production, which helps break down food and ease nausea. Fennel is also fantastic. It relieves bloating and gas after meals. You can chew fennel seeds or make fennel tea for a quick remedy. Lemon balm is a gentle option that supports digestion and calms the nervous system, which is great for stress-related stomach issues. And finally, dandelion root works as a natural digestive tonic, supporting liver function and promoting healthy digestion overall. The best part about these herbs is that you can grow them yourself at home, fresh, organic, and always available when you need them. That's why I recommend the Medicinal Garden Kit. It gives you everything you need to start growing 10 powerful medicinal herbs for better digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. Check out the link in the description below and start your journey toward natural gut health today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and let me know in the comments which herb you'd love to grow first.